Y'all, the questions we're being asked to do is number 2, 3, and 9 here out of 4.3. So the first question here, this is number 2, it says, what's the degree of the polynomial? Remember what the degree means. The degree is the highest exponent that I have. So in this case, the highest exponent I have is 9. So I'm going to plug in a 9. And yes, we're good there. And then the next thing we're going to do is, do we have a monomial, binomial, or trinomial? So let me take a screenshot real quick. Come to that part. That's not us. That's not us. This is us. And okay, we want to know monomial, binomial, trinomial. So look, y'all, there's one piece, there's two pieces, there's three pieces. So we have a trinomial here. So I'll come back over here. I'm going to select trinomial. I'm going to go final check. And hey, we got it. Okay. And then we're going to do question number 3. This was another question we're going to do. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to look at the degree of the polynomial. Go over here. Let me upload this picture. And this is what we're looking at. So we're looking for the degree. So y'all, I'm going to look at this piece here, and I'm going to look at this piece here. When I'm finding the degree, when I have more than one letter, I'm going to add the exponents that I have on that piece. So I have 2 exponents here. One is 2, one is 3. The degree of that term is 5. I'm going to do the same thing for this one here. I have 2 exponents here. One is 4, one is 5. I'm going to add them together. That's going to give me 9. The bigger one is going to be my degree. So in this case, I'm going to say my degree is 9. So look, I'll come back to my problem. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to plug in the number 9. I'm going to check it. Hey, we got it. And then again, we're going to figure out, is this a monomial, a binomial, or a trinomial? So look, come back over here. Let's upload my picture. Okay, again, I'm going to count how many pieces. Look, there's 1 piece right there. There are 2 pieces right there. So 2 pieces means I have a binomial. So I'm going to select binomial for this one. And I'll come back over here. Let's pick binomial. Let's go final check. And we got it. And then the last one was, can we do number 9? So should be able to do number 9. Here we go. Okay, and we're going to subtract. So yeah, we got some funky fractions. Let's fix this one. Let's do it. We're going to go piece at a time. Okie dokie artichokes. So remember, we're going to, when we're subtracting, the first one, we leave it alone. So I have 3 over 7x squared minus 1 over 2 with an x plus 5. The second one, since we are subtracting, I got to think of this here as a -1. I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. So that becomes a -1 over 4x squared, a positive 3 over 17 with an x, and a positive 6. Okay, now I'm going to combine my like terms. So this one here and this one here are going to be combined together. So 3 over 7 minus 1 over 4. My common denominator here, y'all, between 7 and 4 is going to actually be 28. Okay, so I'm multiplying this guy by 4, so I got to go that one by 4, that's a 12. I'm doing this one by 7, so that one by 7, that's a -7. So 12 minus 7 is 5 over 28. That's the number in front of my x squareds. So right over here, I'm going to put 5 over 28. That's the number in front of my x squared. Now, let's do the same thing for the x's. Let's take this -1/2 and that plus 3/17. So minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 17. My common denominator, y'all, is a 34. So I multiplied this guy by 17, and that one, that's a -17. I multiplied this one by 2, so that one by 2. That is a positive 6. So -17 plus 6 should be a -11 over 34. And that's the number in front of my x. So -11 over 34, and that's the number in front of my x. And then finally, the last 2 numbers I need to combine are the plus 5 and the plus 6. That's just going to give me a positive 11. Okay, so here's my answer. 5 over 28 x squared minus 11 over 34 with an x plus 11. And so let me enter that in here. So 5 over 28 we said with an x squared, and then a minus, I think it was a minus, let me check, a minus 11 over 34. 11 over 34 with an x, and then I want to say we had a plus 11. Where's my plus? I know it's around here somewhere, I just don't see it. Ah, right there, plus 11, okay? Check it, and we got it, okay? So they're the three questions, number 2, number 3, and number 9. If y'all got any questions, let me know, y'all.